Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Prizepicks fail to verify identity. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you are encountering a failed to verify identity error on your Prizepicks, what you need to do is follow these steps. Number 1, ensure clear and accurate documentation. Valid ID, use a government ID, issued ID such as driver's license or passport, clear photo, capture high quality images of your ID in good lighting to avoid blurriness, consistent information, verify that your name, date of birth and address match exactly on all the documents and within your Prizepicks account. Number 2, follow Prizepicks specific instructions, photo guidelines, adhere to the platform's requirements for uploading ID photos, ensuring proper lighting and clarity. Document selection, choose the appropriate document type as specified by Prizepicks during the verification process. Number 3, contact Prizepicks support, phone, call Prizepicks customer service at the given number, or email support@prizepicks.com, or visit the help center for additional assistance. Number 4, considering creating a new account. If issue persists, you might try creating a new account with accurate and consistent information. Ensure all details match your official documents to facilitate smoother verification. By meticulously following these steps and ensuring all provided information is accurate and consistent, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Prizepicks. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.